What is up, guys? I'm Tom from Tech Time, and today we have a case for the Galaxy S10e. This is the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro. I did a first look on the Supcase brand of cases for the Unicorn Beetle series on the S10 Plus with a dummy unit, just a first look, but they had sent those over to me. But if you had followed the channel for any bit of time, I love the Unicorn Beetle Pro. I use it for work. It's very comparable to the OtterBox Defender. In my opinion, it's better quality at half or sometimes a third of the price. So I always pick these up. Supcase has been nice enough to send a bunch of these out for me normally. They'd sent them out for the S10 Plus. This one's for the S10e. I purchased this myself because I like the cases that much. It's just the way it is. So, you know, people see that I get cases from companies and they think, yeah, maybe he doesn't use them. You know, maybe he just reviews them because he gets them. This case right here, I buy with my own money. If I don't get it, I bought it long before I ever did get any of them from Supcase. I truly enjoy these cases. So let's get into it. This is a full coverage, you know, out of control protection. This isn't for everybody, but let's take a look at it. This is the black color. And with the size of this phone, the Galaxy S10e, the case is now going to be a little bit smaller, which is nice because these are really, really bulky cases. Like on my Note 9, it can be really big. See what we get in the box. You get your case. You also get an installation guide, shows you how to use it, and then there's a QR code. If you need some more help, you can go online and check it out. But I'm going to show you guys how to install it right now. So you get your belt clip holster right here. There's a kickstand. The kickstands are kind of hard to get out. See if this one's any easier. That's still kind of hard. I don't really use the kickstand, but if you loosen it up a few times, it does get easier. This does have a built-in screen protector, which I'm not a huge fan of. I normally cut them out, pull them out, so there's no issues. But this one does come pre-installed, so you are going to have to pull it out. There have been some other models that don't have the built-in screen protector. Has the cutout on the side for the fingerprint sensor, which is side-mounted. Hopefully it fits good. Looks like my thumb fits fairly good on there. You're going to have your volume minus and plus, your Bixby button. Down here you get some dust flaps because this is ultra protection. Even though these phones are IP68 water and dust resistance, these definitely come in handy when I'm at work and I'm cutting concrete and things like that. They come in handy. So to open this up, you're going to want to put your finger in this little slot right on the end and pull the TPU outer edging off of it. And then you're going to want to work that all the way around, like so. Pull it out. This is your front piece, and this is the rear cover, which is a polycarbonate and TPU design. Really nice. So we're going to pop this out, pull the plastic off. I do have the built-in screen protector from Samsung, which is nothing special. Turn the screen off, and we'll just overlay this on it like so. That clips in like that, and then you feed it in from the bottom, and then you just kind of work it around, and then you just make sure that the rubber edging is all clipped in. So actually the fingerprint sensor works fairly easy with this cutout design. I was very surprised. I'm very surprised by that. That was one of my main issues with this phone, was I was wondering how cases are going to implement the screen protector and how they're going to implement the fingerprint sensor. Now this one comes with a built-in screen protector. I wish it didn't because of the flat screen. I think that's why they threw it on there, because it probably won't be too many issues, but I do have some rainbowing I can see right here. Could be because of the other built-in screen protector from Samsung. Who knows? I'm going to cut it out, and I will be slapping on a white stone dome glass screen protector, so stay tuned for that video. But let's check out the fingerprint sensor again. Super fast. Love this fingerprint sensor on the rear mount on this small phone. It fits really nice. And with this case cutout right here on the side, it just works beautiful. So you're going to get the utmost protection with this. See the lips on that? Really, really, really big. So when you drop this thing down, you know you got protection. On the back, like I said, polycarbonate, a TPU around the outside edge, and then you get these little rubber tabs right here that are a little bit more raised. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but they're just a tad bit raised. So when this hits on the back end. That takes some of the shock absorption. Like I said, we get your dust flaps, you get your speaker cutout, dust flaps for your charging port and for your headphone jack. And then up here you get your cutout for your mic. All the cutouts are nice. Check the volume. Volume works great. We can check the Bixby button, but we don't need to do that. We'll do it anyways. Nobody uses it, but it works fine. Power button and the fingerprint sensor work perfectly. You do have it cut out for the camera. If you are going to keep the screen protector on, let's check how it goes into the holster. Perfect. I love these holsters. I use them at work. I work construction, and they just work out perfect for me. I just really enjoy them. So overall, this case is 20 bucks and free one-day shipping on Amazon. If you're interested, the link will be down in the description. I love these cases. Like I said, I can't, rave about them enough. They're super cheap at 20 bucks. The protection, the belt clip holster. If you buy the OtterBox Defender, you're looking at 40, 50, 60 bucks depending on the model and make of the phone. So this is definitely a score. I love them. Comes in a couple different colors normally. Right now, all I've been seeing listed is black, but normally they come in blue, gray, white. So there should be some other color options coming. If not, black is what I go for because it's rugged. It's not going to get dirty. These things just last. They work great. So if you're interested in a beautiful rugged case by the maker Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro, link will be down in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button if you want to see more coverage on the Galaxy S10e. And until the next time, guys, I'll catch you later. Peace.